4 algorithms. Yeah, it's 4 algorithms. And for PLL, in total 6 algorithms to look PLL for 6 algorithms. So let's get into them. Okay, this is the first case. So where you see a big block. The first case is where you see a block like this. But then the edges are like somewhere. So when you see this case where this needs to go here, this needs to go here, and this needs to go here, then, so this needs to go here, then here, then here, then do this algorithm. R, U prime, so R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And that will solve the edges. Okay, here's the next case. It's pretty much just the opposite. So where this one needs to go here, and this one goes here, this one needs to go there. Now that is just pretty much mirrored on the left side. So it's L, L prime, U, L, prime, U, prime, L prime, U prime, L, prime, U, R prime, U, R2. Now solve that edges. And now here's the next case. This is the next case. You understand there? So where these two need to swap, see that one needs to go here and this one needs to go here. Go M2. So M2 is the middle layer here. M2. U prime. M2. U2. M2. U prime. M2. Okay, here's the next case where these two need to swap and these two need to swap. Now this is the think the longest algorithm for the edge swaps, but here's the algorithm for when these two need to swap and these two need to swap. M prime, so M prime means go up, so the middle leg goes up. U prime, M2. U prime, M2, U prime, M prime, U2, M2, and then U. And that's all for true look PLL. The other videos for Rubik's Cube, it's either 2x2, 3x3. I don't think 4x4, but maybe. So that's for all the steps for PLL. It's true look PLL. In the next 3x3 Rubik's Cube, I'll do all of the 20 all of the so full PLL. But the G perms will not be in that video. So if you want to know the G perms, you have to wait. When you get a G perm and it just I'll give you a preview. It's where instead of like if these two just missed onto not in the right place, you do another algorithm that will solve it like this algorithm where you see these two do not need a swap and these two need a swap. These two need to swap, so then you just do an algorithm and solve it. So this is the end of this video, and hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.